Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now this new section of the highway will be opened in August of this year, which is 7 weeks from now. So we are going to give you an update as to how far they have reached by the Rio Mino Bridge today. So this is where Highway 2000 currently ends at the Maypen roundabout. We're coming up to it, and that's where the new section of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville starts. A new bridge was built over the Rio Mino, and that is actually the largest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. So of all the bridges in Jamaica that are 4 lanes, the Rio Mino is the biggest one. Now this highway was actually to go more north of where it's running now. It was to go north of Clarendon Park, go through Porus, and basically more north. But they changed the alignment because if they had gone more north, it would go through more residential areas. It would mean building even a bigger bridge on the Rio Mino going over the Milk River. And so they decided to have as little disruption to the communities as possible. They took the highway more south. Now, if the highway had gone more north, it would have still started at this point, but you see that road over there, which is the Maypen bypass, it would have been on the other side of it, heading towards Montego Bay on the northern side. But this is the alignment, and with this alignment, they only had to build one major bridge, which is the bridge we're looking at ahead, and you wouldn't have to move a lot of people off their properties. It goes through more government land. This seems to be the better alignment, and it doesn't go through Porus, it goes south of Porus. Alright, so this is the bridge, and as you can see, it's practically finished. You can drive on the bridge, but we can't. You're not. Oh, they took down the sign. Maybe no, they had a sign up that says you're not allowed to drive on the bridge, but they took it down. But this road is a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. And the toll plaza, toll gate is not ready yet. It's still being built, so they don't allow people to drive on the road. But this straight ahead is the bridge. Oh wait, we are on the bridge now. They moved. Alright, so this is the entrance to the new section of the highway, and by all indications it will be ready by August of this year. It's over. Well, the last official report that came out said 94%, but it should be more than 94% complete now. This is the entire stretch of the highway. So this section of the entire section highway should be ready by August. So this alignment of the highway now, it starts here, and if you look straight ahead, this road, it lines up directly with where we started the video, that section of the highway. So they're going to remove the roundabout, and you'll just have one continuous road to drive on. Now the Maypen bypass to the left, that will just have one straight road going. So the roundabout is going to be removed, both sections here joined, and that will be the highway. So the highway now, the new section from Maypen to Mandeville will run south of the Maypen bypass, go through Tollgate, south of Tollgate, sorry, where you have the new toll plaza, and then when you get to Clarendon Park, the highway will go over the hill and come out by the Melrose Hill bypass, and then it's going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass and go into Williamsfield. So this section of the highway runs from the Maypen roundabout, which is what you're looking at now, to Williamsfield in Manchester, and then they will continue building sections until they get to Montego Bay. Now remember, Highway 2000 east-west leg was to join Kingston to Montego Bay via a highway, a 4-lane highway. So that is the ultimate goal of Highway 2000. It's going to take a very long time for that entire section to join Kingston to Montego Bay. This highway was started in the first section opened in 2006, but they started planning in the 1990s and started construction. It's now 2023 and the highway has reached Mandeville. So you have to go from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, or from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, then from Hodges to Mount Pelion, and then from Mount Pelion into Montego Bay. So you have at least another 10 years before this leg of the highway is finished. And that's kind of sad, because this is a toll road, so you're going to pay to use the toll, so the road will eventually pay for itself. So they should have really built out this highway in one go, which was the original plan. The original plan of Highway 2000 had it been built in one go. But that didn't work out because of the cost and other factors, such as there was never a toll road in Jamaica before. Nobody knew if they would pay toll to use it. But it's a very successful project. People use, well, in a previous video, you should have seen the amount of people at the Maypen toll plaza. So it works, but they're still taking a very long time to build out the highway. Alright guys, this is the Maypen interchange that they're building, because the existing entrances and exits for Maypen just were not adequate. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.